one of our friend Chris, was pushed to commit suicide in the Center for Historical Studies in JNU. And what happens in these historical studies and all these social schools, social science schools here, is basically they would select their own students. They would select their own students who come from, students who come from Presidency, Jadavpur, DU, and all these prestigious colleges they would choose. And students coming from Dalit communities, especially Dalit communities who come from villages, who don't know how to speak proper English according to them. And that is why Chris was denied admission for he had to give entrance 5 times. They told him that, your English is simple. Your English is very simple. And despite all of that, he came here, he worked as a menial labor, he did menial jobs. He worked hard and he got in here and he had to go through a lot of humiliation. So this is about him. This is a tribute to a Dalit boy. Rajni Chris is his name. A tribute to a Dalit boy who fought the Savana shame. He struggled to pay his semester fees cause his life was not so easy. Caste discrimination was so tight, but always did he fight, yet it doesn't come to your sight. He was a fan of Talaiva. And he did say, I'm never going back here. A tribute to a Dalit boy. Rajni Chris is his name. A tribute to a Dalit boy who fought the Savana shame. He was a student of history, yet you fail to know his story. Your lectures are so exclusive, so are your centers. There is no space for marginalized thinkers. You take 5 students from Presidency, Jadavpur, DU, you make them work under you. What about the marginalized view? Why is it only about you? Plato, Foucault, Marx, I don't care if you don't with marginalized any empathy to share. A tribute to a Dalit boy, Rajni Chris is his name. A tribute to a Dalit boy who fought the Savana shame. You denied him equality, you denied him dignity, only cause he's not from a Savana fraternity. Personal and social binary. They always create this binary, Whenever students from marginalized communities commit suicide, it has always to do with his personal stuff. As if for us there is no social, there is no personal. Everything that happens due to the social structures, every kind of deprivation, every kind of restriction on us, it happens because of the social structure. So there is no binary between personal and social. Binary of personal and social is your made-up category. For us, caste hegemony is the root of the story. And this is for all the students. This is for all the students who come from prestigious colleges, study in these social science schools, and you would see them during protests or other times, having their own isolated groups. Most of them, I want to ask how many of you ever take time to go and talk to the students who come from marginalized backgrounds, and how many times have you interacted with them? You speak heavy English, hang out in elite groups. Do you ever notice you keep isolating marginalized students around these loops? Let's ask ourselves, where do we go wrong? In your exclusive spaces we don't belong, cause you fail to see a painful song. Hey marginalized friends, it's time to reflect. What support structures can we build to let this not reiterate? We can't just keep going on with our studies. This is what happened when Muthu was pushed to suicide. The campus was on with cultural nights, hostel nights, and I still remember one of our friend was somewhere he was crying near Teflas, and he didn't even have that, he didn't have the space to cry because of the Godavari cultural night. The music was so loud that he didn't even have the space to cry. So this is the situation of JNU. The JNU you claim to be progressive. Hey marginalized friends, it's time to reflect. What support structures can we build to let this not reiterate? We can't just keep going on with our studies when grieving families are coming to universities to take their sons' dead bodies. This is a tribute to a Dalit boy. Rajni Chris is his name. This is a tribute to a Dalit boy who fought the Savana shame. Thank you.